In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Forms not require sign-in. This can be incredibly useful for when you want to collect information or feedback anonymously, or from a wide audience without the hassle of them having to log in. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Forms. To do this, you'll have to sign in to your Google account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. When prompted, enter your email address, click Next, then type in your password, and finally click on Sign In once more to access your Google account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Google Forms. You may have a form already created, or you might need to create a new one for this tutorial. Either way, navigate to the form you're looking to edit. With your form open, look for the Settings option. It's crucial because this is where you can adjust who can fill out your form and how. Clicking on Settings will open a new panel with several options to choose from. Now, inside the Settings panel, you'll see a tab labeled Responses. This is where Google Forms allows you to manage how responses to your form are handled. Click on this to continue. Here's a crucial step. Look for the option that says Collect Email Addresses. Initially, this might be enabled by default, meaning your form is currently set up to require respondents to sign in. What you want to do is adjust this setting by clicking on Do Not Collect Email Addresses. This is the magic click that allows you to ensure respondents can answer your form without the need to sign in, making their response process as smooth as possible. Why is this important? Well, by not requiring a sign-in, you're lowering the barrier of entry. No one has to log in or even have a Google account to fill out your form. This is ideal for gathering feedback from a wider array of respondents, especially in cases where anonymity is important or when you want to make it as easy as possible for people to participate. Remember though, with great power comes great responsibility. Not collecting email addresses means you won't automatically know who responded to your form, so weigh the pros and cons based on what you're trying to achieve. This adjustment is a small but powerful tweak that can significantly enhance the accessibility and ease of use of your Google Forms. Whether you're collecting feedback for a project, gauging public opinion, or gathering data for research, making your Google form not require a sign-in is a fantastic way to increase participation. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your Google Forms more accessible by removing the sign-in requirement. This simple change can make a big difference in the response rate and overall success of your form.